Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today it's April the 24th, 2022. We are going to talk about Graph and see how low can this price really go. You guys can already see on my chart that I got a price prediction in the market for Graph, but man, it's not really going down now, is it? Well, guess what? I'm going to give you all a heads up as to where I think the price is going to go in Graph so that we won't be nervous, we won't be scared, we won't ask the question and scratch our heads and try to figure out why in the world is Graph going up or even down, because we can predict those things. So welcome to my channel. If today is your first time ever seeing my videos, my content, make sure before you go, only if you appreciate it, hit the like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to my channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you want the YouTube algorithm to notify you of whenever I upload my videos, because you want to be one of the first ones to know about these updated price movements, right? Then make sure you hit that bell notification. Now check this out. I did a video in Graph right here, so I'm going to zoom in on the chart. And I want you all to look at this. Here it is, April the 1st. Was the first video I've done. This is the latest video I've done in Graph. And you guys can tell that I was bullish into the market in Graph. Now, I wasn't massively bullish, right? You guys can see that I had an ultimate TP price around 59 cents. But the market in Graph did not have enough momentum to reach up there, which is why you can tell from this solid horizontal line I got that that was an area that we wanted to pay attention to. I was telling you all then on the 1st of April, be prepared to see some selling go on around that particular horizontal line. And that's pretty much what happened into the market in the Graph. It went up there, found the sellers, and sellers pushed the price down. It's just that simple. So ever since that moment that we got rejected around 50 cents, Graph has been trending down. So now, how low can the market really go now? Seeing that that's been the case, seeing that the price in Graph could not maintain elevation above 50 cents, what can we expect now? Well, first of all, let me go ahead and get rid of this. So I want to say congratulations to anybody who at least took off a small profit on April the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or even the 5th of April, right? Although it was on a minor, 12.5% right there immediately the next day of me doing my price prediction. You could have at least got 12.5% out the market, or at best on that horizontal line, 9%. I get it. Every opportunity is not going to be a home run. It's not going to be hitting out the park. In this particular situation, it wasn't. So now check this out. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. All right, let me take that away. And now the question is, how low can Graph really go? Because as I zoom out of this price chart, you guys can tell that we're pretty much already at rock bottom. Like, how low can this market go in Graph? If we go any lower, this market will be almost hitting all-time lows. And that's not a positive sign for those who are interested in Graph in the long term. You guys want to see the price go up, don't you? Of course you do. So we really need to start paying attention. Okay, maybe this market in Graph is not as vigor or as vibrant as what a lot of people may want to try to say, because if it was, we would not be trading at rock bottom prices. If people really wanted to come in and buy this currency, it would not be trading this low. Let's go ahead and do this first, because we can create the basis. We can't create the foundation that the market in the Graph is really holding. Like, we're not surprised to see the market hold this level, just like they did right here in 2021, the beginning of the year 2021. The Graph buyers are doing the same thing. They're trying to hold price above 30 cents. Now, that's the last lifesaver. I'm just going to keep it straight. I'm going to keep it real. This is the last lifesaver for the buyers, because if the market in the Graph breaks below 31 cents, then we might well consider this market making all-time lows. And by us seeing the price get rejected around 50 cents, that's even more likely that it can still happen. Like, I don't want to mislead you all and act like the price cannot go below 30 cents, because it definitely can, especially by us seeing the price get rejected right here around 50 cents. Okay, so now let me give you a little bit of hope though, okay, because I will show you the last 2 days into the market in the Graph, we did see buying. Okay, right here, the buyers came into the market in the Graph, which confirms that they're still willing to hold 30 cents, 31 cents. So there's still hope here that the market will not fall below 31 cents. It's still there. We all see the same information. Everyone has access to these price charts. So the last 2 days has been phenomenal for us to confirm, yes, buyers are here. Yes, buyers upheld price around 31 cents. So now, so far so good for us to not see gas price go lower. That's right now. Okay, so let's look at the market from a long-term perspective. Let's get this on a weekly time frame. Okay, so right now here on the weekly time frame in the graph, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't, not right now. Not on a weekly perspective. Here it is on a 2 weeks. It doesn't look that bad. 3 weeks. I don't like the 3 weekly time frame. I'm just going to keep it real. I don't like it. I don't like what happened on the conclusion of this 3 weekly price bar. Like over the last 5 3 weekly price bars, let me circle it. These 3 weekly price bars right here. Okay, I don't like that because I want to see strength come into the market in the graph, right? I want us to see lift off of 31 cents. I want to see price get away from 31 cents to the upside. And as of right now, we're not seeing that. The time for us to see the market in the graph break away from 31 cents was the following this 3 weekly price bar that started on March the 7th. So this completed 3 weekly price bar, we should have saw price break away from 31 cents, but instead we came right back down. So if anything, it tells us that the probability of us seeing the graph fall below 31 cents, it is still there in the long term. Now, when you see situations like this, to where the market is hovering around basis of support, basis to where buyers are at, the buyers is letting us know, well, the market is letting us know that they got a huge job ahead of them to not let price break 31 cents. Because generally, overall, I would say for the beginning half of this year, 2022, we haven't seen that much strength come into the market in the graph. We haven't seen it. The only thing that is positive of what we're noticing right now on the price chart in the graph is the fact that it's holding 31 cents. That's it. Besides that, the market doesn't look good. So the question is, will the market hold 31 cents or will it fall and break 31 cents to the downside? Now, when you look at the evidence, when you look at the amount of information that we're looking at right now, it doesn't look as if the market will hold 31 cents. Now, to give it a timing perspective, I can't. I don't know. Maybe the buyers will continue to hold price around 31 cents. That's also a chance. And from a percentage basis, I would say maybe that's around 25-30% chance that the buyers will continue to hold the graph right there around 31 cents. But the longer that we continue to see these type of price bars, the greater the chances are that it will not hold 31 cents. So right now, what would you do? Is this a buyable market? Is this a seller's market? Or is this just a market that you want to stay away from? Until we get more revelation, until we get more information as to what the market really is trying to do in the graph. Because I really don't like it. The opportunity for us to really get bullish into the market was during this time frame. And they could not capitalize off of it. And when the market cannot capitalize on opportunities, you got to face the facts. It is what it is. And now that we're trading below this level causes even more problems for the buyers. So even though we may be seeing some strength into the market initially right now from an intraday basis, we still got to be careful. We got 45 cents now that's in the way of us really breaking above 50 cents now. Okay. So, which one would you rather do? Would you come in and buy the market? Would you come in and sell this? Or would you wait? Because if we come in and buy the market, we could get what, 15% for us to hit around 45 cents. 15% is not bad. But like I said, I'm not here to be one of them staunch advocates of the FOMO and the FUD and telling that we're going to be moonshining up there to $5 for the graph. That's not how I operate. So where do you think price is going to go? Can we go to 45 cents, maybe to 43? Yeah, we can. And that's probably how high I'll take it. That's about it. But from the long-term perspective, I am definitely keeping the prospect of us seeing the graph break 31 cents to the downside. Especially if we see price fail on this next move higher. If we see selling coming around 43, 45 cents, then yeah, that 31 cents break is to the downside is even more apparent. I'm just saying. So what I'm going to do here though, okay, I'm going to play the long side into the market in the graph, right? But I'm not going to be massively bullish. 2 price targets, that's it. 45 cents, 43 cents first. That's how I'm running, okay? So now the question is your turn, is your opportunity to go ahead and try to do a price prediction. What is your price target in the graph? Real quick, let me know. Go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me where do you think price is headed. All right. Now, if we see buyers take out 45, then yeah, 50 cents is going to be the next spot, the next destination that the price is going to try to go to. Now, let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.